everyone, it's Heidi from WTI, and I just love finding great ways to help me look my best. And this Instant Eye Firm from Peter Thomas Roth has really helped. The best part is it's instant. You apply it and you wait 3 to 7 minutes, just like it says on the back of the tube. And honestly, I put it on and I curl my hair, and then I go back and I apply my makeup. And what it does is temporarily tightens the area around my eye. I especially enjoy putting it right here in between my eyebrows and then at my eyebrow bone. I love to put it there because I feel like it tightens that area for me. Also, a little bit goes a long way. So this little tube, this 1 ounce tube, I feel like is gonna last me a very long time. I love knowing I have this in my beauty arsenal, especially for those special occasions where I absolutely want to look my best. This Instant Eye Firm has become one of my new favorite beauty secrets. And that's my point of view.